We're trying to find the brown noise. It's this one pitch, this certain frequency that makes people lose bowel control. What's lose bowel control? That's a scientific term for crapping your pants.
Found it! We found it, you guys! Calm down, Cartman! We found what? The brown noise! Kenny and me found the brown noise! Here, look! Okay, listen. Okay. Ready, Kenny? Woo!
Oh my God! Oh, I cracked my pants!
You taking a shit?
Where you going? Take a shit.